This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. R290 accounted for 38% of new EU residential heat pump certifications in 2024, according to Heat Pumps Watch, by J.O. Haraldson, published April 15, 2026. Based on new EU certificates, Heat Pumps Watch, HPW, an independent non-profit European data and analysis organization, has reported a definitive shift in refrigerants for residential heat pumps, with propane capturing a 38% share in 2024. By comparison, ER290 accounted for only 3% in 2021, while R32 held 79% and R410A 11%. In 2017, R410A dominated with 86%, while R32 and R290 each accounted for 3%. Market data shows how quickly the industry is moving, said Marek Miara, founder and executive director of HPW. An evaluation of 2,443 heat pump models from the European Certification Register paints a clear picture of the refrigerant transition. An additional sign: the maximum flow temperatures of certified models have risen from an average of 57 to 62 degrees Celsius, 135 to 144 degrees Fahrenheit, since 2017, Miara said, adding that the higher temperature reflects the increased use of propane. Propane achieves an average maximum outlet flow temperature of 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit, while R32 and R404A typically reach 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Propane delivers comparable or slightly better efficiency than synthetic refrigerants, according to Miara. However, R290's higher temperature output makes heat pumps a suitable solution for older buildings. The drivers, both the EU F-gas regulation and the potential restrictions on HFO refrigerants, which decompose in the atmosphere into TFA, trifluoroacetic acid, an ultra-short-chain PFAS, per- and polyfluoroalkyl substance, are shifting the market towards R290 solutions, according to Miara. Starting January 1, 2027, the EU F-gas regulation will limit the GWP of refrigerants to 150 in new heat pumps, with a heating capacity of up to 12 kilowatts, 3.4 tons of refrigeration, effectively banning most HFCs while allowing most HFOs. However, most HFOs could be banned under future regulations. The European Chemicals Agency, ECHA, is inviting EU stakeholders to comment by May 25th to guide the final opinion of the Committee for Socioeconomic Analysis, SEAC, on PFAS restrictions, which includes fluorinated refrigerant gases. Maturing market. While manufacturers in Asian countries continue to transition product lines to natural refrigerants, European producers are largely already there, according to Miara. Copeland and Daikin plan to expand their existing joint venture in 2026 to introduce R290 inverter swing rotary compressors to the European residential heat pump market. In August 2025, 8 Group launched 2 residential R290 heat pumps with a refrigerant charge of 150 grams, allowing for safe operation in indoor residential applications without the need for a separate ventilation system. Due to the complex safety components, propane systems currently cost 10 to 15% more than equivalent synthetic devices, Miara said. However, these systems are rapidly becoming standard, and the price differences will no longer be significant in the coming years. Sweet deals. Various government and private sector programs seek to support the uptake of R290 heat pumps in residential applications. Under a £1.6 billion, $2.15 billion / €1.85 billion UK public sector procurement framework run by Procure Plus, social housing landlords and other public sector bodies can implement decarbonization measures with Viessmann R290 heat pumps selected for the program. Working with Sweden-based solar energy company Svea Solar, IKEA offers residential R290 air-to-water heat pumps to customers in Germany, with units sourced from Swedish manufacturer Era. The purchase price includes the heat pump and installation costs. Svea Solar will install the systems and apply for government subsidies on behalf of homeowners.